Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to another tutorial of Android development for beginner series. And in this video I am going to show you that how to install Android virtual device in your laptop or PC. Because when you develop a website you need a browser to run that website, but in the Android development case you need a virtual device or a real-time physical device to run your application. So I am going to install a virtual device, so when we will develop our application we will be run our application on that virtual device. So you have to click on Android virtual device manager from here, or if you did not see this option in this section you can also click from here AVD manager, which stands for Android virtual device manager. So you can see that here is an option create virtual device, so you have to click on this. Here are multiple virtual device have been shown us, but we choose this one, Nexus 5X, and Play Store is also available in our this application in our this virtual device, and its screen size is 5.2 inch and this is the resolution of this so you have to select it and click on the next button, and you have to also choose that which version of Android you want to install on your virtual device. So I will choose the Nugget, which is API level 25. So click on this download button, and after this you have to accept it and then click next. So you can see that downloading has been started. It will take a little bit time. After the installation will be complete I will come back. So guys, the installation was failed and it was asked me to install this one. So first of all I have to click on install and again click next. First of all, when this will install, after this click on yes button. It was asking us for permission. When this one will be installed, after that we will be install our virtual device again. You can see that it have been installed successfully, and again click on finish button, and now you have to again click on Nugget, this one, and click on the download button. The downloading have been started. When it will be completed we will be come back. Welcome back guys. You can see that our Android emulator have been installed, and you have to click on finish button, and after this you have to cancel it. Close this one and open your Android Studio. So you have to click on again tools, AVD manager, create new virtual device, and after this we were selected Nexus 5X. Click next button, and after selecting this you have to click on next button, and you have to we will not change the name of your Android virtual device. If you want to change you can change, but you have not to change anything. And finally you have to click on finish button. You can see that it creating Android virtual device. Our Android virtual device have been installed. From this type you can play run it, and you can edit this device, and it have much more functions that. So first of all I want to play it. So when it now you can see that in the bottom section it is starting Android virtual device. So now it is running our Android device. It will take some time. So finally you can see that our Android virtual device have been installed successfully, and now it is a proper mobile phone, and it have also built-in Play Store, Chrome, and other Gmail services, map services. So you can open the menu from this point. You can see that our Android virtual device have been successfully installed, and that's it. Our tutorial have been end, and we have successfully installed Android virtual device. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. I hope you will not face any error to install the Android virtual device. And finally, thanks for watching.